Hey there, curious minds! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the exciting world of learning styles, those unique pathways our brains take to absorb information. Whether you learn best through your ears, through reading and writing, hands-on experiences, deciphering patterns, collaborating with peers, or solitary study sessions, understanding your learning style is the key to unlocking your full potential. 1. Auditory learners. First up, auditory learners. These individuals absorb information best through their ears. If you're an auditory learner, record your notes and engage in discussions and debates. Consider using mnemonic devices or rhythm to memorize key points. 2. Reading-writing learners. Next, we have reading-writing learners. These individuals find solace in the written word. For you, it's all about summarizing and rephrasing. Take meticulous notes, rewrite concepts in your own words, and create flashcards for effective recall. 3. Kinesthetic learners. Moving on to kinesthetic learners, the hands-on adventurers of the learning world. If you're kinesthetic, engage in interactive activities, role-play scenarios, create physical models, and use real-life examples to solidify concepts. 4. Logical mathematical learners. Here come the logical mathematical learners with a knack for deciphering patterns and unraveling complex problems. To thrive, organize your study material logically. Break down concepts into step-by-step processes and create comparison charts to highlight differences and similarities. 5. Social learners. For those who thrive in groups, we have social learners. They love discussing ideas and brainstorming with peers. If you're social, join study groups, engage in debates, and teach others what you've learned. Sharing knowledge cements your understanding. 6. Solitary learners. Last but not least, solitary learners. These independent thinkers prefer flying solo in their pursuit of knowledge. If you're solitary, create a quiet and organized study space. Break learning into smaller chunks and set achievable goals to maintain focus. Conclusion. So there you have it. Our 7 remarkable learning styles. Remember, most of us are a blend of these styles. Your unique combination is your superpower. Experiment, embrace, and evolve your learning strategies to unlock your full potential. Before we wrap up, tell us in the comments which learning style resonates with you the most. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, keep learning and growing.